Every ghetto youth, them can't stop the dream.
Yeah.
Goalie. One time gone, long time gone, when me never have nothing.
One time gone, long time gone, when me never have nothing. All them lyrics are in a dog, ABC lyrics in a youth. You think some people could have write that song already, and the song just start. One time gone, long time gone, when me never have nothing. I go see what I go on at all. And the bumbo clat self. Calm down on yourself. Calm down on the bumbo clat self. Calm down on the youth. If you want to see the name, big up on yourself. Like the video and comment on the video if you see the name in the next video. You do me? Calm down on the bumbo clat self. We just drop Alkaline Ocean Wave review. You do me I say? And now we're up on the Mavado case. So I'll go on. True ambassador, big up yourself, youth. You're fine instrumental. Don't know, no. Goalie got attack. So Mavado deal with Mavado live official audio. You did me I say the baddest review reaction whenever no one call it. Only so no one start with the audio them, so we are gonna start with the audio them. You did me? But when I create the music video for the girl them I twerk them big fat body part rare. Anyways, okay, so I go on.
True ambassador.
Well, enemy, can't trust nobody. Hey.
Yeah, me I sing a Alkaline song a while ago. Where's on the ocean? But anyways, so when time Goalie God voice go on an instrumental a different type of shit, you know. You see me I say, the man say, that's what the man sound. Oh, as I said from last video, from never watch it, I kinda see I kinda now. Now at 12 o'clock at night now, that 1 o'clock in the dark. That at 2 o'clock at Jamaica and at 2 a.m. you know. See the evidence. Anyway, go through.
Every ghetto youth, them can't stop the dream.
Yeah.
Goalie. One time gone, long time gone, when me never have nothing.
One time gone, long time gone, when me never have nothing. All them lyrics are in a dog, ABC lyrics in a youth. You think some people could have write that song already, and the song just start. One time gone, long time gone, when me never have nothing. I go see what I go on at all. Why am I feel so the night here, man, I want to go on. Hold on, there's something over here, something like using on my video, you know. Hold on. Yeah. Trouble, did it? Alright, ready.
One or two slices of bread, be careful what you bully beef tin cut you. Now a 10 key, and me don't even know who.
But them broke days, the dog. One time gone, long time gone. That 2 slices of bread that me never have nothing. You did me I say? See, there's somebody coming from my song. Big up yourself for coming from my video, brother. Big up yourself for coming from my video. Anyways. Man, I go back to, man, I reflect on days when man did poor. I can remember them days then. Me used to broke and hungry in a youth. I now hide and talk in a youth. You see, if a man never got through youth, a man not really live no life if he never got through them something that get dark. That's something see for real. The band that golden spoon, God go with you. Go through.
Door figure open.
Yeah.
Me full of enemy. Everywhere me go, me have to walk with the something. Now make them stop me when me reach so far. Left mama down a yard me.
I tell me say so. The man them answer the war man. The man them answer the clash. You know. Man them go. Man them response to them. The separate music now differently. You know you. I music differently. You know. Alkaline and Mavado. Them answer them. You know. But them answer them in a soft, easy melody way. You know dog. Song with them can go so boom and put out a dam. Japan music video thing. You know. But now I like them. I like the Mets. Hold on there. I want to have Jamil song. Jamil Japan music video too, no? I never heard a Jamil music video. I'm just a missed, you know. Jamil Japan music video, no? What your name? I don't remember, no? I'm there for the answer. No, that's Jamil Japan music video, no? And therefore that same instrumental like that, but that me I made. But go through here, I won't chat too much.
I do it for her. From me band, man, I rise, man, I reach my star.
Whoa.
Hey, from me can't just a nigga, man, I need for par.
Flow a different telling about man I read star, brother. We don't do them thing the dog. When I read Observer, when I read Star. We not even watch news again. Who watch primetime news? Who watch CVM news? What name? CVM news at 8. What? You know TV? Yeah. Just look at us now. You dig me? But we don't know what CVM TV name. Oh, live. Alright, pal, but chat to it. Go through.
One shot, one pants, one shows one. Let me tell you about friend.
What?
Never coming at the equation right now, and me never know them.
Yeah. You still have one shoes. You never still have one pants and one shirt. I lie. You still have one pants and my beat got everywhere. I know about the one shoes situation more. You did me I say. And the friend something I might talk about, like enough people say running up anything in a dog. But it's true me style people, dog, I'm talk to people, I'm a friendly dog. Remember when man I start my YouTube thing and reach out to some boy in a dog. Me I call them boy right now in a youth. And the boy go on them a see man message and thing in a dog. Tell him go suck on a bully beef air, but I eat himself. You dig me? True man all high right now, me talk all the things I'm in a youth, but I don't know things that levels and go through song your dog.
Don't see your pest them. Fake like me girl to breast them. Walk past and me bless them. Who know? Walk past and me bless them. Who no real? Don't see your pest them. Fake like me girl to breast them. Walk past and me bless them. Who no real go late to rest them.
Move on, the girl have fake breasts. What is going on in this world? Go through the song.
Fuck who no want see me rich, all who no want to see me with cars and hot bitch. Want lock me down, me find the locksmith. Jab girl draws a job quick. Them
Yeah, there is a chap now. You see me as a man say, F who all no say, what me I say? F who, what me I talk about? F who no want, F all who don't want see man rich. You see me I say, have all the girl them and the care them. You see me? But me I say, my father ain't rich already. And me, I saying I talk about me right now, dog. You see me I say, all who no want see me successful. All of me have no hate over here, so you dig me? I say everybody support me thing on me I do. I rate that, I love and respect that. There's still, you dig me? You say all who no want see man make you succeed you on YouTube and things that. The reverse of what my father does say. Fuck under that. You dig me? Alright, go through.
Down and a lip, no want me song it. Them gyal a wine pon the cocky and split. And I say them too small, me a perfect fit. Go fit them anywhere, pon the earth them fit.
Them gyal a wine pon the cocky and split. And I say me too small. Wait. Yeah. Lyrics are chop. Dog. One buckley. But yo, I'm not like that video I go extra long in the dog. Can't but I would them something like that. People like watching long video them in the dog. Jano, start some more son. Yeah, like your video, you know that. You like your video? Alright, go through now.
More life, more money.
Whoa.
Them a one bag of crosses.
Yeah.
Them a not the bank and me have the bank account.
Whoa.
Them a losses. You know see a game, some a play with life.
Alright, previous people. Now I'm gonna watch it. Now I'm gonna react to the full video now. You dig me? I say, big up on yourself for no dog. Big up on yourself. I'm gonna listen to Mavado song. You dig me? Cause the song I touch me. I listen to the rest of it after that video. But I know I make a long video for the tube and things that. I know some people just have time to sit down and watch a long video. But we know so the song bad already, people. You dig me? You dig me? We know, see that Mavado only make long song and good song, you know. You dig me? And I like some man that put out some 1 minute song and I repeat all across 2, 4, 3, 10 times. Man, after 1 3% them song, them think them a slap up road youth. Like if you don't go pre-Mavado thing. Did me answer? Big up on yourself, you know, dog. Gone.